Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. With QuickBooks Online Advanced and Spreadsheet Sync, you can access your company's info in Excel to build your own reports, measure your business's performance, and edit or record transactions and other data. Let's look at how to connect Spreadsheet Sync to your QuickBooks company, download and install Spreadsheet Sync, and access reports and transactions in Excel. First, select the Settings menu and select Spreadsheet Sync. Here you see a brief summary of how to install Spreadsheet Sync and connect it to your company's info. Select Let's Go. Excel opens a file with the Spreadsheet Sync add-on installed. Select the option to trust the Spreadsheet Sync add-on. Then enter your QuickBooks user ID and password to sign in. Choose the QuickBooks company you want to connect to Spreadsheet Sync and confirm your selection. Note that you only have to perform this installation once. After you've installed Spreadsheet Sync to Excel, you can access your company's info from the Spreadsheet Sync tab whenever you use Excel. Even though you're signed in, you won't see any info from your company at first. Let's get started. Select Build a Report to retrieve data from your company and run a report in Excel. Next, select My QuickBooks Data to bring in a report or data table from your company's QuickBooks account. Select the company or group of companies you want to run a report for. Then select Data Source to choose a report or data table you want to view in Excel. Select an option in the Data Tables tab to look up details on specific transactions or contacts, or select a report with the info you want in Excel. Let's look at a profit and loss statement. Select Data to Get, and choose Parameters for your report. Let's run the report on the accrual basis for this fiscal year, and open the report in the current sheet. Spreadsheet Sync lets you know when it's built the report. Select Done. Now that the report is in Excel, you can work with it like any other sheet in Excel. Select the different tab, and you can insert graphs, build pivot tables to orient your data in different ways, and add formulas. In addition to reports, you can also edit your QuickBooks data in Excel. Go back to the Spreadsheet Sync tab and select Manage Records. Then choose the type of data you want to access or post to QuickBooks. Let's work with invoices and bills. If you want to record something new and post it to QuickBooks, enter it here. Select the company you want to work in, and when you're finished, select Post to QuickBooks. If you want to edit something already in QuickBooks, toggle on Bring in existing records from QuickBooks. Choose a date range for the data you want, or filter the list entries you want to edit. Let's bring the records into the current sheet. Now you have all of the selected entries in Excel. Record the changes you want to send to QuickBooks, and enter Yes in the Post column for those transactions. Then when you're done, select Post to QuickBooks. Select Help to learn more about how to use Spreadsheet Sync. Now you can run and customize reports in Excel to gain insight into different aspects of your business.